Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can manage your tags on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, the tags I'm mentioning are the product tags, which are used to organize your products into certain, types, or depending on the tag in certain groups, and they are useful to allow your customers to more easily navigate your site and navigate your inventory so that they can find the best product for them. Now, you can manage these through the product screens or the collection screens. You can manage them for different things, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into products, and I'm going to use this test product, which I have set up explicitly for this purpose. Now, just click on it and it's going to open up the editor. This is exactly what it looks like when you create the product as well. So this is the exact same menu, and now what you can see in the right into the product organization tab, you can see the tags menu, and as you can see, I have all of these tags right over here. They're all a variation of the word test, so I'm just going to enter test into the tags field, and as you can see, I have all these tags available for me. Now I can check off whichever ones I want to be applied for this product, and they'll appear here at the bottom. Now if I go ahead, enter test again, I can then check off the ones that I want to add as well, and they'll change in accordance with that. And that is basically all you have to do. Some people do have a manage tags menu, which I don't have. I don't even have it in the more action segment. I just have this here field, which I can play around with, but that is pretty much all you need anyway. So once you make the changes, just click save, and that's all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.